Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for watching another one of my videos. So for today, I'm still in the Christmas spirit. So I'm going to go ahead and do another Christmas look, but this time I'm going to do it with a little twist. I'm going to have a nice little friend here. In this cup I have, what is it? It's 1800, but it's coconut. I don't like vodka, but I'm going to drink it for the sake of this video because I want to be a little bit lit while we listen to Christmas music and while we do this makeup. So if you're interested to see how this disaster turns out, just keep watching and let's get straight into the video. Don't mind this pimple, y'all. It's just, it ain't going nowhere no time soon. Like, it wants to ruin my life. I'm going to take my ColourPop concealer, and this is in the shade Dark number 44. And I bought this for under my eyes, but it's like extremely light, so I think I'm gonna go ahead and just use it on my eyelids. And it also has like a pinkish undertone, which just doesn't go right with my skin, so I just figured I use it as an eyelid primer. I only ever use the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer or the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer for my eyes, so I'm not sure how the colors are going to perform, but we're going to find out. So it doesn't look bad here, like on my eyelids, but under my eyes it just looked really pink and just, it was an no, sis. It's not bad. I hate vodka, y'all. I got some ginger ale here to wash it down because the last time I fooled up with y'all and did a video while I was drunk, I was so sick the next day, like sick. So first I'm gonna go into my crayon case box of crayons. And I'm going to use this green shade right here and start putting that right in there. Oh, look how pigmented that green is. Like, hello Santa Claus. So next, with the same palette, I'm going to go in and I'm going to get this red shade right here. Next, I'm going to go ahead and go in with my Tarte Longwear Precision Liner. Go ahead and take my NYX Vivid Bright, and I'm going to go ahead and line above the black liner. Okay, so I only did it on half of the black eyeliner, but the one thing that I do notice about the NYX Vivid Brights is that it does tend to get a little crumbly on the eyelid no soon as it dries. So if this is something that you don't really like, then you know, I suggest not getting it. I like the product, so I just kind of deal with it. I love the pigmentation of it, but since we're done with our eyes, I'm gonna go ahead and move right onto my face. Okay, so for primer, I'm going to be using my Maybelline Master Prime, and I'm also going to be using my Maybelline Instant Pore Eraser, and I like to mix the two because this gives me a nice softness for my face, and this is definitely a moisturizer, so I just like to combine the two together. Oh, I'm gonna go in with my ColourPop foundation, and this is in the shade Deep Dark 185, and I'm pretty sure that I like this foundation. I tried it on the other day and I'm pretty sure that I'm gonna like it. So after I put it on my face, I'm gonna take some of my Morphe spray and spray my face just a little bit, and then I'm gonna go ahead and start blending it in. Coverage that it gives me a nice smooth even finish, and I think I got this for around like $6 or $7 at colourpop.com. I got another shade but for contour, but it didn't work out. So for concealer, I'm going to be using my Tarte Shape Tape. Next, I'm going to use my chalk dust. Next, I'm going to use this shade for contour. And this is a Pure and BoxyCharm collaboration that I got from one of my BoxyCharms. Guys, I'm starting to feel a little tipsy. My eyes are like really low at this point. Can you guys only believe that I used 2 colors on my lids? When I was doing it, I was like, what the hell is happening? And then I stood back and I was like, you know what? It's not bad. Like, I'm actually feeling, I need to pluck my eyebrows, but I'm actually feeling this look. I'm feeling it. And I got the little red going on. I'm feeling it a little bit. Okay guys, so here I am with my lashes put on. So for lashes today, I use Honey's Beauty Bars lashes, and these are in the style Royalty, and these are just really pretty, and they're a little bit dramatic but not too much, exactly how I like them, and I just feel like they fit perfectly with this Christmas look. So now I'm gonna go ahead and blow out under my eyes, and I'm gonna go back into my crayon case palette. I'm gonna take this red shade right here. Bitch, we look like Christmas, okay? We look like Christmas. So I feel like the eyes are really pretty, but I definitely feel like I am missing something. So I'm going to take this pigment right here, and this is from, who is this from? Oh, they should put their name on the packages. And this just has shimmers of green and shimmers of red inside of it. So I'm just gonna go ahead and use this. And I honestly feel like this just gives it a pop of color. So this is how we're looking. For highlight today, I'm going to go ahead and use the crayon case. And this is in the shade AnGlowla. AnGlowla, you know what? I don't know why I act surprised with AnGlowla. Because AnGlowla always gets me right. I'm gonna go with my ColourPop lip pencil pitch, and I just got another one tonight. I can't check me. Boo. I'm gonna use this Maybelline Matte Vivid liquid lipstick. I'm gonna put that right in the center, just a little bit. And I'm going to take my Ulta Lip Infused oil, and this is Black Raspberry. So I'm going to go ahead and use my Flawless Finish Makeup Artistry Egyptian Glow, and this is in the shade Bronze Queen. And look how beautiful this is, guys. Like, look how gorgeous that is. It is so pretty. So I'm going to go ahead and use it. Oh, and it smells so good, guys. This smells so good. It literally smells like a flower, like it smells like roses. It smells really good. So, and it is doing something for my skin. Okay guys, this concludes my second Christmas video. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure to drop me a comment down in the comment section. Let me know how you feel about the look. Let me know what you would have done differently. Let me know if you're going to create a Christmas look as well, so I can go ahead and check out your channel. Make sure you guys like this video. Make sure you guys give it a thumbs up. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel. I mean, this month is the gift that keeps on giving, so give me a subscribe. I'm a little tipsy, y'all. Do not mind me. But yeah, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Also, share this video with everybody. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. And thank you for watching. And I will see you guys in the next one. Mwah. Bye.